class. You can have your seat. My name is Ariel and today I am presenting on how to edit text in Microsoft Excel. What is text in Excel? Text means words or letters typed in a cell. Examples: names like Amma and John, months like January and March, labels like total and subject. Text is different from numbers. What is a cell? A cell is a small box in Excel. It is where we type information. Every cell has a name like A1 and B2. We must click a cell before typing. How to type text. Click a cell. Type using the keyboard. Press enter to finish. The text appears inside the cell in the formula bar at the top. How to edit text. Method 1. Double click the cell. A blinking cursor appears. Correct the mistake. Press enter. How to edit text. Method 2. Use the F2 key. Click the cell. Press F2 on the keyboard. Edit the text. Press enter. Using backspace and delete. Backspace removes letters to the left. Delete removes letters to the right. Use them to fix spelling mistakes. As you can see in this word, apple was spelled wrongly. You can use backspace or delete to fix the spelling. Editing from the formula bar. Click the cell. Click inside the formula bar. Edit the text there. Press enter. The better method for editing long sentences. Copy and paste text. Click the cell. Press Ctrl C to copy. Click another cell. Press Ctrl V to paste. Copy keeps the original text. Cut and paste into bracket new text. Click the cell. Press Ctrl X to cut. Click a new cell. Press Ctrl V to paste. Cut moves the text. Undo and redo. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl Z to undo. You can also press Ctrl Y to redo. You can also click the undo arrow at the top. Quick access toolbar. Did you know? When you click undo, Excel can remember many steps back, not just one. Thank you.